I notice somebody is a little light weight-wise, I will just put them on first and make sure they get a good spot.
Oh, she went, Linda, in the...
She went!
In the... This is the first sign of potty training. They go to...
with the black? Yeah.
Yeah, they go to an area where they smell... they migrate to the area where they smell urine, and even at this young little age, they migrate towards the smell.
Just like they do when they're 12 years old out in the grass.
Yeah, so it begins this young. Amazing.
Yep, there was a widow there.
They've all started walking. So that army crawl thing.
Cal is just, what's the matter?
This little guy will make it. Uh-oh, he's going to the...
Fiddle, fiddle, fiddle. Not yet. She went out of there, out of the piddle area. Ooh, you're still piddling. So Linda, how much longer will you have them? 3 weeks?
8 weeks. I'm supposed to be keeping them until 8 weeks.
Oh.
Yeah, I know that.
Because normally they go into the prison at 3, right?
Yeah.